Gardening tips, enhancing your green thumb. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very practical and interesting topic, gardening tips. Whether you have a green thumb or are just beginning, understanding these tips will not only help your garden flourish but also enhance your English vocabulary and comprehension. Let's dig in. Gardening tips refer to practical advice, suggestions, or techniques related to gardening. These tips can cover a wide range of topics, from how to plant seeds to how to maintain healthy plants. Understanding these tips can be very helpful for anyone interested in gardening, no matter their experience level. In this section, we'll explore some common gardening tips. For example, watering your plants. Learn how much water different plants need and the best time of day for watering. Choosing the right soil. Understand the importance of using the right type of soil for different plants. Sunlight and shade. Discover how different plants have varying needs for sunlight and shade. Gardening involves specific vocabulary. Words like fertilizer, pruning, perennial, and annual are commonly used. Understanding these terms is crucial for following gardening advice and discussions. English is rich in idioms and phrases derived from gardening. For instance, to nip something in the bud means to stop a problem before it grows bigger. We'll explore how these phrases are used in everyday language. We'll guide you on how to find reliable sources for gardening tips, such as books, websites, and community forums. This is important for ensuring that the information you get is accurate and beneficial. I hope this video has given you a good understanding of the phrase, gardening tips, and its use in English. Gardening is not only a relaxing hobby but also a great way to learn new vocabulary and phrases. Happy gardening and learning!